An array is when you arrange objects, pictures, or numbers in order using rows and columns. Rows, they're from left to right, while columns are up and down. And you count how many rows you have. 1, 2, 3. And each of those rows has 1, 2, 3 columns. So this would be a 3 by 3. So how do you get an array using a multiplication? Well, you look at the first number, 6 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there's supposed to be 4 in each. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you end up with 6 by 4. The 3 by 3, we go backwards here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 in each row. And you end up with 3 by 3. 4 by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 rows with 3 in each. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 here, 3 here, and you end up with 4 by 3. 1 by 5. 1 row, and I had to have 5 in each row. Well, there's only 1. That's how 1 by 5 looks like. And then you can count the total, and you end up with 5 here. 4 times 3, well, you count them all. You end up with 12. Three by 3, there's 3, 6, 9. No matter what, the multiplication will be the same as the array, the total. 6 times 4, 24, and if I count them, there's going to be 24.